I am Shobha Rani. We have purchased this land 4 years back. The area of this land is 2¼ acres, and prior to this cultivation, nothing was sown in this land. So this has helped us more for organic farming. First of all, we have strengthened the soil by putting 4 tractors of cow dung, cow urine, and then afterwards we have put pulses and then grains, leguminous grains, and then after first shower had come, we have ploughed the whole land, and then we have levelled the land by ploughing again. Then again we have dug pits, and we are following Palekar's method, but a bit redesigned. His method was 36 by 36, and we have done only by 24 by 24. And we have planted 150 mango trees, 120 apple bear, 100 custard apples, main this, and besides this, all types of fruits, all types of spices, all types of plants which are very much essential for our day-to-day life. And then in between this 24 by 24, we have put internal crops also, that is vegetables. So that a farmer cannot wait for 4 years without earning anything on this, because it takes time for the mangoes to grow and other fruits to come up. So in between, if you put vegetables and all, this can be supported financially. Okay. Then meanwhile, after 2 years we will get custard apples, after 1½ year we will get guavas, then after 4 years mangoes and all. So internal crops are very much useful in this farming, and we have not left even an inch of land waste here. We are using each and every inch of land here, and then we are and first of all we are using cow dung, cow urine, then pulses flour, and then bun sand, all this while preparing Jivamritam. And first of all, we have prepared 2 types of Jivamritam. One is Ghana Jivamritam and the other is Drava Jivamritam. So every 15 days we are treating the whole field by giving Drava Jivamritam through drip, of course. So this is more than enough for organic farming. Actually this is enough, but in case any pests or insects and all come, then we are using in the critical stage kashayams. Kashayams are prepared by leaves only. We are rotting all types of leaves, that is many types, 15 to 20 types of leaves, and then we are making it rot for 40 days, and then we are squeezing out the whole thing, a pulp, and removing the whole juice, extracting it, and then we are in the ratio of 1:10, matlab 1 liter of kashayam to 10 liters of water we are adding, and then we are either spraying or supplying it through drip. Then what I finally say is, I am really happy with this now. First I was so reluctant, now I am exactly opposite of reluctant. That is, I am willing to do farming because this is healthy and wealthy food. Whatever we are getting out of it, very nice vegetables we are getting, and already we have tasted figs also in our own farm. And when we are getting all these things in our own farm by our own efforts, we get the whole satisfaction there. And I am really happy now. Many people were dead against, all our family people were dead against us. Why these people are going and doing organic farming at this age? But after retirement and after attaining this age also, we are able to do so much. And thanks to Palekar system, and thanks to all the people who have helped us in supporting and teaching us and giving us guidance in how to do, what to do. And timely suggestions were given by all our experts, and we are doing only by taking experts' comments and experts' guidance. And after one crop is ready, I think we can do everything by ourselves. I am so confident that I can do everything by myself or ourselves. And in this, I should thank my husband, who has really supported me and who has taken up so much of pains in bringing out this whole thing.